Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about split payment. As we know, in MyRent there is two ways to do it. We go to one of the existing rental agreements and we are going to speak about split payments. So I go to inside of this rental agreement, for example, and I'm going to show you how to do it. For example, we go to rate and there is first way, we click in prepaid. And this means that in this case, car rental is prepaid by tour operator, which can be Expedia or Pivacanza, and customer receives voucher for the number of days, which we can put here. For example, you can put 5, and voucher can be like code like this, and percentage can be like 50%, and you adjust other information. So in this case, the software will charge the prepaid part, for example, to Expedia or Pivacanza, for example, and etc. Second way is managed also from this type of rate. We click here, so we enable split payment. It's very important because if we don't click here, the software is not going to take you to split payment tab while opening the rental agreement in this process. So we click here and we click confirm. So it will take us to the window of split payment. And we see that here you can decide how to split the VAT, additional info, split the payment rate, and in the absolute way, for example, customer has to pay €250, and this customer here, and we can say that now she is paying, for example, €200, and another €50 is paid by cost center, and we put here like €50. After we click on the create invoice, if you are in the role of operator, it will show you this. So we click, for example, it's Bologna, and we confirm. And after it asks the software to whom we want to make invoice, and we click on customer and we confirm. And as you see, you can see all the payment details over here. Split payment can be made in two phases. For example, you can use it at the moment when vehicle is doing checkout, or so opening of rental agreement, and also the time when it's returning. And about split payment, I would like to mention that you can make also percentage, and you can say that, for example, here 70% is paid by customer and cost center is paying 30%. And anyway, you can make the invoice over here. Thank you.